all, we just wrapped up an unforgettable trip connecting with our best friends, mouth-watering meals, and we have had a great time. But as much as fun as it was, now it's time to hit the reset button and give our bodies the detox it deserves after all the indulgence. So stick around with me until the end to see the step-by-step process of detox that you can follow when you feel the need to de-bloat and revitalize yourself. Let's get started. So first up, we are starting the day with a cool hydrating cucumber and mint detox drink. It's very refreshing and perfect for flushing out the toxins, all the buildup that we have, and calming the digestive system. So you can start the preparation overnight. So here we have some cucumber slices, about 5 to 6. Then we need 1-inch piece of ginger and about 5 to 6 fresh mint leaves. Put all that together and then crush it roughly using the pestle and mortar so that the juices start flowing in. This doesn't need to be finely crushed or anything. After that, add it to a glass of water and let it stay overnight. Along with that, you also need in a separate bowl 1 teaspoon of chia seeds along with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Let that also soak in. And the next morning, as a first drink that we can have, just strain the cucumber, mint, ginger mixture into a glass. Add the chia seed water. Squeeze half a lime and mix all that together. Definitely try this recipe out during this upcoming summer and enjoy your detox. Next, we're going to make a special rice water soup or kanji. So here we have the brown rice, which is already cooked, and I've also got some cooked moong or green gram. So I'm going to mix equal proportion of both of them. Then we need a teaspoon each of black pepper, cumin seeds, and fenugreek seeds or methi. Powder them and then add it to this mixture of rice and green gram. Mix it well, let it boil, and then you add about 1/3 cup of coconut milk or coconut cream and mix it all together. And once it starts to slightly heat up on the edges, you can turn it off. This rice soup has great medicinal and nutritious benefits. To top it off with a little bit of seasoning, we need shallots and garlic and roast it in some ghee. Add it to the kanji along with some salt to taste. So this kanji, as we know, it's comparatively a low calorie food with high fiber content, and which means that it improves your or it regulates your appetite levels. And fiber, as we all know, it helps remove the toxins and waste products easily from our body. So a good thing to come back to after our vacation, after a long trip of indulging in junk and other foods that's not so great for our bodies. Also, when you feel that acidity levels increase in our body, kanji helps regulate the pH levels in our stomach, which means that it improves the growth of good bacteria, improves the gut health, and so on. So let me enjoy this. Along with internally cleansing ourselves, it's also great to detox your skin from the outside. The Dead Sea Mud Mask. It helps clean all the dust and all the grime and dirt that is stuck in the skin, and I really feel so good after washing off. So I like to do this after or before taking my bath, and I really enjoy how it makes me feel afterwards. So just a few minutes of relaxation. It has a beautiful smell associated, which makes you feel very calm and relaxed all at the same time. So I'm just taking it really slow before ending this long break before getting back to the routine. You can actually feel how clean your skin looks after this. Okay, so when it comes to gut health, prebiotics and probiotics are equally important. And the most common probiotic that we usually talk about in Indian culture, very common, is yogurt. So this is the creamy yogurt that I made, and I like to make this now and then, recycle the starter culture that I use. So I bought the starter culture and then made the yogurt in the yogurt maker, and this has come out very creamy and delicious. This is actually the Greek yogurt I made this time, and this way we're able to control the bacteria that we have in this fermented food products. So every now and then, it's good to make your own yogurt using the new starter culture. So while I enjoy the probiotic and some prebiotics here, which is banana and blueberries, I'm going to mix that all in and have that as a yummy snack, knowing all the benefits that this snack has and is going to help my body with. So meanwhile, take a look at how I made this yummy yogurt. So I'm going to prepare this yogurt with organic whole milk. We need about 1.4 liters of milk. So depending upon the type of milk, the time required to set the yogurt will vary. So that will be provided in the yogurt maker specifications. So this will take about 8 hours to make this yogurt. So once you have added all the milk into a saucepan, allow it to slightly boil. And the starter culture that I'm using here today is specifically for Greek yogurt. If you're not planning to use a starter culture, you can also use the yogurt or curd from your previous batch. So that's also an alternative. But again, as I was telling earlier, I like to use a starter culture just to make sure that the yogurt is fresh and has all the benefits from the type of bacteria that we are looking at. So once it's boiled and slightly lukewarm, add the starter culture to about 6 ounces of milk and then whisk it properly, and then add it to the entire batch of warm milk. Once everything is mixed well, then add it to the yogurt maker. And here this comes with 7 such glass bottles, and the amount of milk that we took will be just enough to cover all those containers, right? So once we have added all those milk equally distributed, set it at 8 hours and let it incubate. Then it switches off automatically, and there we have this yummy creamy yogurt. Refrigerate and use when required. Okay, so I'm making sure to drink lots of water throughout the day because that is the easiest route to follow. And I'm also finishing off this small probiotic tablet. It helps to keep your immune system strong and healthy. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, by the way, and let me know in the comments below what you would like to see next from me. Have a beautiful day, you all. Take care and bye-bye.